Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of SmartlyQ. In today's video I'm going to show you how to post your article on your LeadConnector account. So I'm here on my account settings, so I'm going to the avatar here, press account and then press LeadConnector, and I've already connected my LeadConnector account. If you don't know how to do that, or if you haven't already done that yet, please refer to the other video we have on how to connect your LeadConnector account. So once you've done that, you want to head to your LeadConnector account. So I'm going to go back to my LeadConnector account, and you want to go to the blogs. Now, a couple of things before we get started with this is you need to manually create your at least one blog, and you need to have at least one category and at least one author. That's the way this integration works. If there are already these things present. So once you've created all those, you can start posting to your LeadConnector blog. Another thing you need to be aware of is in your articles, you need to have a featured image present, otherwise it will not post it. We'll go over that when we create an article in this guide. So I'm here on my blogs section in my LeadConnector account, and the first thing we want to do is create a blog. So you can do this via two ways. When you go into the arrow here, you can see we have two options: create blog, which is manually create blog, enter the details yourself, etc. And also note that you need to connect a domain for that. If you're not sure how to do that, there's a guide on LeadConnector, connecting your domain / a guide. You can see how you can do that. And then there's another way of creating a blog, is from a template that LeadConnector provides, which also offers you some, I think 4 articles already in there as samples. In any case, we'll go over both ways. So let's start first by creating it manually, so we'll see how that looks. I'm going to press create blog here. So it's asking me to set up my blog site. I'm going to add a title here. Let's say SmartlyQ, test manual blog. Alright, and then as I said, you need to enter a domain in the slug, so you can press add/edit domain here, and it will take you through the guide to add your own domain. I've already added my own domain for this guide, and I'm going to add a slug as well, and you can optionally add a blog meta description if you want. I'm just going to press create now, and my blog is created. Right, I go back to the list of all blogs, and you can see there it's live, right? And the other way to create a blog is through the templates, as we said. So we can go here and then create blog from template, and you can select from a variety of blogs, different categories like marketing agency, life coach, chiropractor, roofing, and a few other more. Let's just select life coach for this example. You can have a preview as well before. Press continue here, and it's going to start the import process for the template. So you can see here it created a sample blog for me, life coach, and it already added like 4 ready to use articles, and you can see some categories they have created for us. I'm going to go back, and now let's see how we can create a category. So I'm going to go to the blog list, the main blog list here, and I'll press the cog icon. And these are the settings, and I can see here the authors and the categories. Let's create an author first. I'm just going to press add new author. I'm going to enter a name for them. Okay, I can add a photo of them as well, like an avatar. And if you do that, you can add an image alt text as well. You can add a description here, a canonical link for them, and you can also optionally add their social media profiles URLs. I'm just going to create a sample author here, press create author. Yep, there it is. And then I'm going to go to the categories and do the same. I'm going to create a new category. Yep, whatever. And I'm going to add a category image if I want. And again, you can add an alt text for that for SEO purposes. And then I'm going to add a slug for this. So let's say test cat. Yep, it's fine. And optionally, I can add a description and a canonical link for that. When I'm ready, I can press create category, and it will put it right here. So now that I've created my blog, alright, I'm going to use the manual for this, and I create an author and a category. I'm ready to start creating an article in SmartlyQ, and then I'm going to use the integration to post it here on the manual blog. Okay, it's going to go in there. Let's see that it's empty. Okay, I go back to SmartlyQ now, and I'm going to navigate to the article generator. You can also post via the campaigns tool, but we're just going to create just one article for this example. So I'm going to press create here. I'm going to add some keywords. I'm going to an article about SEO and AI, English language, default tone of voice. You can also add the context and audience. On these are two are optional. I'm going to press next onto the next screen. Here we have an article title that the AI has generated for us. You can press the regenerate title icon if you don't like the title exactly how it is, so you can generate a new variation. And you can also optionally add YouTube videos that are related to the article if you want. And again, I must stress that you absolutely need to have this checked, include images related to the article. As I said before in the beginning of the video, in order to post to LeadConnector blog, you need to have a featured image. And that's going to happen only if you have this checked. So I'm going to keep this checked. I'm going to include images. I'm going to select a AI model for this. Let's say Flux Pro. And then I'm going to start writing the article. Now we're going to wait for the AI to finish compiling our article. You can see here it's generating. Okay, it seems like the writing has finished. Now we're waiting for the images to be generated. And once that's done, we should see a banner here notifying us that the article is ready and saved. And here we go, the article has been successfully generated and saved. You can see it here. I'm going to press back. So here you can see the article we created, and under the created column you can see that it's unpublished. I'm going to press view edit here and go into the article. You can press edit here to make some changes before you post it if you want. We can delete it as well, and when you're ready to post it, you can press publish, and I'm going to select the channel LeadConnector, and you can select your sub account if you have more than one connected. Let's select the blog site we created manually, so SmartlyQ test manual blog, and the category as well, test cat, and the author, test author. And when you're ready, you can press post, and it says the article will be published in a few seconds. Yeah, once I press back, you can see it says published, and the platform that it's been published is LeadConnector. So I'm going to go back to my blog site. I'm going to refresh this page. Might take a few seconds for the post to appear. Yep, here it is. And there you have it. My article is posted on LeadConnector now with the details that I added. As I said, you can see the featured image here, which is essential in order to post the article. And that's it. It's easy as that.